cloudy day, so not very bright, but show them to you anyway there. These are the Valentes, the chrome style. Got the sequential on and off switch there. Looks like a plug and play. I still got to pull off those tabs. But they say these leak real bad, so I'm gonna, I don't know, install them anyway, and then if they start leaking, then I'll reseal them, and then I'll make an update video of that if it happens. And all you're gonna need to do the job is the flathead screwdriver. Take off the plastic tabs, 8mm. Take off the 4 bolts on the back of the old taillight, and that's about it for tools. It's on. Cool. Okay. So yeah, there's gonna be a tab there, tab back there. Never mind. Other guys will tell you to take off this whole plastic thing up here, but I don't do that. I just peel it back. Then I'll, show you the next part. So just the 2 tabs. Just get the flathead screwdriver in there and pop it. Just pull it out. And this is what I was saying, I don't go through all that crazy stuff like the rest of the guys. Just take off those 2. This is on the driver's side. And then obviously you just got your 8mm. If I can do it blind. Yep, you got 1, 2. And there should be 1 right behind there. And that one. And your flathead will come in handy to get these off. I'll have to put the phone down for it, but they're kind of a pain to wiggle off. And then, so I got these all 4 loose. So obviously you'll take all 4 of those off. You'll have your 1 connector here, push down right there, and I've already unsnapped it, but then you just pull that out. And then we'll see what it looks like with the new one. Alright, so I took off the 4 tabs that were over the screws. And so, yep, just put all the bolts back in, push they don't stay on there anyway. Where is it? If I can do it dark. They don't stay on there. The screws are smaller apparently, or something, I don't know. Reconnect the plug-in. That's for the sequential part, which I don't know whether it's on or off right now. I'll have to wait till I turn them on. Oh, it's all dark. So this is what they look like with the one on. And I got the hazards on to show the difference of the turning. That's the sequential. I don't like how it's pink in the light. I don't know, I'm gonna have her press on the brake in a sec. Go ahead and press the brake. Yeah, the outer ring is pink. And then off. Do it again. And then obviously, the non-sequential will just light up that whole bar. Alright, let's put them both in. Still, I hope those look red in the night. I like them. Looks good. Figure, I guess, show them with them completely off. And I'll do some night shots here a little bit. Got a few more hours to wait. Thought I'd show this, the lock and unlock. My camera to be dark. It's not pitch black out yet, but my camera just picks up way too much light, and I'm too lazy to download a filter to make it dull it down a little bit. But in person, they're very red, nice and normal red. They look good in person. Camera's kind of messing it up. But let's see if I can hit the buttons. Even when I do the unlock and lock, it's just way too much light on my camera. Yeah, see, it's like super bright. But it looks good in person. Alright, the dog's not going to get out of the way. I hit the brake. Yeah, see, the camera is hella bright. Cannot dull it down. Off! Well, sorry for my crappy camera. Looks good in person, though. I'd recommend them. Alright, see you.